Hey guys, alright, so I'm here at Yuro Autoworks. This guy, he's been doing my car for quite a while, almost like a year. Yeah, a year. And this guy knows his stuff around Audi and Beamers and stuff. And I mean, as a car guy, when you speak to your mechanic, you will understand if he knows his stuff. And this guy apparently knows his stuff, and surprisingly,
that's right. You guys see it?
I found my old car back. So what happened was there was some issue with the previous the new owner. He drove back a day after and he was telling me there was fluid leakings and stuff like that. So I told him, like, I was quite shocked because it says that coolant tank was empty and stuff like that. So I told him, you know, buddy, I'm not too sure because I can't really go over to his place and check it out as well. I was quite busy at the moment at that time. So I told him to come by here because Yus has been doing this car all this while and he knows the car in and out. And I told him it's better that if you give Yus to do it instead of giving a new mechanic, because he won't know any history about the car. So yeah, let's go check it out. Alright, so this is the previous owner, sorry, the new owner, not the previous owner. So apparently what happened was, oh, looks like he removed the reservoir. And see this hose here? Yeah, this is actually joined back to the original coolant line. But what I did back then was I removed this part and joined back directly to the heat exchanger so that it doesn't run together with the coolant line. But yep, apparently the owner, he prefers to have it stocked, so he just joined back together with the coolant line. Everything looks nice. No, I think the power steering oil was leaking a little bit, not so sure why, but didn't really have the issue with it. So yeah, but Yus had actually made a new line as well and replaced the power steering cooler down here. This is the dynamic power steering. You know, the original one was huge, so we can't use that because I changed to the Merc Racing heat exchanger. Looks like nothing else was really done besides that. Everything looks pretty much the same though. Yep, that's really about it though. I think he's changing the fender cover as well, fender liners. Alright, do you guys see these two hoses here? So this hose is from the DCT gearbox from the DSG, and this line runs into the side here. You can see here. Yeah, it goes to the radiator where it cools down the DCT temperature. But I told him if he wants to run an external, I'm pretty sure we can do this though, because the line actually ends in here. Hold on, let me see. So we can just remove this. Sorry about that. And we can make a adapter and have it mounted somewhere around here, like a DCT cooler. So that will work much more better though. Hey guys, so he's also replacing the solenoid valves. Apparently this one is on your cam covers, right? So this O-ring seal actually broke. It starts to, well, deteriorate after a few thousand miles. So it was leaking onto the valve cover. I noticed it, but it wasn't like extremely much. But yep, it's better to actually change it though. So yeah, that's about it though. I think nothing much is really changing. Car looks good condition though. I mean, he's extremely lucky. I actually replaced a lot of parts before this. I've replaced with steel braided lines, as you guys can see. I had this ECR steel braided lines. I replaced the water pump as well. This is a PWA. I think it's a C100. Yeah, I replaced with a C100. I can't remember, it was a year back. I think he's going to replace the fender liner and a few more other parts. So I really hope, you know, the car treats him well. It's a really fast car, guys. I enjoyed this car a lot. I didn't really drive it much, but I really enjoyed it. I really enjoyed it. Hey guys, alright, so do come and check out Yuro Auto, guys. You know, I really like his work. Simple, clean. As you can see, even the workshops is extremely clean. One thing about me is that I do not like workshops that are extremely dirty and filthy, oils and stuff like that. You see, from there you can see whether they are actually people who like things clean and neat. You know, I mean, if they do not care about how the workshop is, they're not going to really take care of the cars, to be honest. You know, I've seen, like, I've been to 1,000 workshops. You know, I know some workshops, they are actually quite dirty, but their work is just excellent. But for me, I prefer a workshop that is clean though. I mean, check it out. Super clean. Yeah, it's really nice. So I'll put down the link for his address as well, so you guys can go and check it out if you guys want to do your car. Weh, anjing lu. Tengok tu terkejut aku. Security guard. Alright guys, see you guys then. Ciao boys. Weh, dia panggil member dia lu. Dia macam ya. Ada orang kacau aku tadi ya. Dia bawa GoPro tadi kan. Baru datang kan. Hey guys, alright, so I was thinking to wash my car, but it's raining, it's gonna rain again, so better not. I'm gonna go into Tesco and get some batteries. So you see it's dark here, right? So without the lighting, yeah, my camera quality is gonna be horrible though. I need those lighting, so let's go get some batteries. So we are going to Mr. DIY. I love escalators, so I really like it. So please tell me there's no one. Mostly there's like a billion people lining up. Alright, let's go get some batteries, boys. Hey guys, so you know, in Malaysia they have this really cool system. Like every single time when you want to go into like a store or something, they have you fill up this like details and stuff like that. And this one is manual apparently. I'm not so sure why, but most of the store is auto, where you just scan, it gets all your details, it will know how long you're gonna be in there and stuff like that. So that's really cool. That way they can track anyone. Let's say if someone was infected and they know this guy was there, they can track everyone that was in the store and outside the store and stuff like that. So that's really cool. So I was supposed to find batteries and I'm looking at car stuff. Alright, no, really, let's go get some batteries. I think it was at the counter. I'm probably gonna get this. Comes with a mini filter inside though. It's kind of cool, right? Previous one I bought was, yeah, this one is really flimsy. This one would tear apart like in minutes. Yep, let's take 1, 2, let's take 3. Hey guys, I got the batteries. I also got this. Remember I did a review for the Boya mic? So yeah, and before I head home, Phoebe is a bit upset because I haven't spent so much time with her, so I'm going to bribe her with Starbucks. Starbucks. I'm carrying like a billion stuff on my hand, so yeah, I couldn't do much recording, so I'll see you guys later then. Hey guys, I'm back. So I got the batteries, I got everything. It was a fun day. As I said guys, I was supposed to wash my car, but it's raining, so thank God I didn't. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. You know, do like and subscribe guys, I really appreciate it, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Ciao boys.